Hello everybody, my name is Alex Schiller and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something kind of on par with what we did on Monday, which was kind of like an EDC in my camera bag. This time we're going to be doing an everyday carry for what I actually carry with me on a daily basis, what is always kind of in my pockets, kind of a what's in my pockets video. These are super popular on YouTube right now, and I've been watching a lot of them because they're super interesting just to see what everybody is carrying with them at all times. So we've got like a top-down shot right here where you're going to be able to see everything. You could probably still kind of see everything because it's a GoPro. So, and then you got me talking about things here. This is going to be hard to edit, but I'm going to do it because I love you guys. Let's get started with the first thing that I have to have with me every day that I think everybody has to have with them every day. That's my phone. This is an LG G7. I love this thing to death. It's my daily driver. It's what I use for pretty much everything on my, for everything. I call, text, Snapchat, do my banking, like literally everything. And it's something that everybody has to have with them all the time, always. It's a couple generations old now. It's just a little old. I'm thinking about upgrading to the Google Pixel 4a in the near future. But for right now, I'm rocking LG. I've loved LG phones for a couple of phones now. It's the G3 that I have, the G5, and then now the G7, kind of upgrading every 2 years. Yeah, that's it. Got a very nice black sparring case. Super cheap. This is one of the main reasons that I bought it, to be completely honest with you. But yeah, it's fantastic. It does its job. I've dropped this thing on numerous occasions directly onto things, and it's kept my phone very nice and safe. So that's my phone. Next thing obviously is a wallet. I actually just recently upgraded. Does one upgrade a wallet? I don't know. All I know is that my old wallet was super bulky and I hated it. So I got a super slim wallet that keeps everything that I need in a really super small, super defined package. This is by Travel Lambo. I literally just got this today. Like, it's fantastic. I've been wearing it in my pants all day while I was at work, and then now in my shorts, and it just sits flat like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. It fits, and I can't even tell it's there. Like that's the point of a wallet, in my opinion. Like you need to know that it's there, but also not know that it's there, and also safely and snugly protect everything that you got. I've got 2 of my cards, information. I'm hiding my driver's license with that white pad there. So yeah, super nice. Obviously keeping with the black aesthetic of what I've got going on there. My new wallet. So yeah. Next, keys. Now, confession time. I was a key hoarder. I used to have a key from every one of the houses I've ever lived in, on my key ring at all times. That's insanity. It hurts the actual ignition of my car. Like, it was just a lot of metal making a lot of noise, jingling all the time. As you can see, I've significantly decreased. I've got my car key, I've got my house key, I've got a bottle opener, because, you know, party. And then I've got a SIM card tray removal tool because I'm a nerd who parties with a bottle opener. That's how my life works. And I just felt that, like, you can still have all the keys and like the sentimental value, which is what I was keeping all those keys for, on a different ring for, like, you know, personal, like, look back time. But like, this is functional. I barely ever feel it in my pocket. It barely makes any noise. It makes a lot of noise because I jingled it just there, but barely makes any noise, and it's fantastic. I love it. Next, Kershaw knife. That was quite possibly the worst way to open that knife. Can you see it? Is it pretty? Look at it. She's beautiful. I know I'm supposed to be using a top-down shot for this, but I don't remember how good the Hero 4 Sessions autofocus is. It's a beautiful knife. I love it a lot. Honestly, kind of sketchy story. I found it in the parking lot of one of my old schools, and figured whoever had it didn't really need it, because 1, they dropped it on the floor, and 2, they were going into a school. So I decided to take it home with me. It's a fantastic blade. Love Kershaw, the company. Have a bunch of other knives by them. This is obviously all black, fitting the aesthetic. Carry it all the time. Definitely needs to be sharpened. Haven't Haven't sharpened it in a while. Like honestly, like hitting it, can't even see marks or scrapes or anything like that. I've been like just like tapping the blade on my finger. You can't really even see any marks. Can you focus on my thumb? That's what I want you to focus on. Thank you. No marks, nothing. So, Kershaw blade fits the matte black aesthetic. Not necessarily matte black, but just definitely the all black aesthetic that I'm trying to go for with this video. And with just my everyday carry in general. Final! I use Android, so clearly I can't use AirPods. So Jaybird Runs are something I got from my mom and dad for Christmas. And I was looking for like AirPod alternatives for Android, and I didn't have a Google Pixel phone or a Samsung phone. That's the one thing about LG that I dislike. Kind of pairing it back to, you know, the phone. Open the case, connects to your phone. See, there it goes. See the little blue light? It was great. And it just kind of fits. It fits the Android aesthetic. It's super nice in the ear. If I actually picked up the right headphone, that would be smart too. Earbud, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so it fits super nice in the ear. They come with a bunch of different tips and stuff like that. They stay in my ear when I decide to run, which is mostly never. But they stay in my ear when I listen to podcasts while doing chores and stuff like that. So Jaybird Runs, super useful. Love the pill case design, charger on the back, LED indicators for what's charging, what's not, that kind of thing. Love this case. Love the Jaybird Runs. Audio quality is great. Super good AirPod alternative for those of us who don't have Apple products. So I love these to death. Buy them, I guess. I don't know. I use them all the time. So that's pretty much it for my everyday carry. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like if you liked what you saw in the video. If you want like links for all these products, I could probably find them. Not my car keys, or that's pretty much it. Not my car keys. Because I don't want you to steal my car. Is that too much to ask? Don't steal my car. Anyway, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.